How to change name on Rednote app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how you can change your name on Rednote app. So if you're wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow up, and you should also be able to change your name on Rednote application. So first of all, go ahead and launch the Rednote app and make sure you're logged in. After that, you will be taken to the dashboard of the Rednote. And here at the bottom right corner, you can find a Me tab. Just go ahead and tap on it. And when you head over here, you can find your profile right here. So you can go ahead and tap on this profile section right here, and you should be able to find your name here. So in order to change your name, you can go ahead and tap on your name, and you can cancel out your previous name. After that is done, if you have that option available of changing your name, you should be able to change your name in Rednote application. So these are the processes you may follow up, and you should also be able to change your name in Rednote app. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.